The basal ganglia are a group of grey matter structures near the centre of the brain responsible for the control of movement. Through both direct and indirect pathways, these nuclei influence the activity of the motor cortex. And the nuclei of the basal ganglia are the putamen, the globus pallidus, and the caudate nucleus. The putamen is the most lateral of the basal ganglia, and it's found deep to the insular cortex. The globus pallidus is just medial to the putamen, and a thin strip of white matter called the medial medullary lamina divides the globus pallidus into an internal and external part. The caudate nucleus is a large structure divided up into 3 segments: a head near the genu of the corpus callosum, a body that passes over the thalamus, and a tail that curves around the thalamus to reach the amygdala. And in this section we can see the head of the caudate nucleus. Our next structure of interest is this large bundle of white matter known as the internal capsule. As you can see, it's a V-shaped structure and is composed of an anterior limb, which separates the head of the caudate nucleus from the putamen and globus pallidus, and the posterior limb, which separates the thalamus from the putamen and globus pallidus. The internal capsule contains axons from fibre tracts passing either to or away from the cerebral cortex. And we'll learn more about this later on in the tutorial, so be sure to keep note of this structure. Finally, we have this long strip of grey matter interrupting the white matter of the insula, and this is known as the claustrum. It's very thin and difficult to see in cross-section, and until recently, the function of the claustrum was a mystery. Although scientists still aren't completely sure, current research indicates that the claustrum may play a role in consciousness. If you found this quick anatomy or physiology video helpful, you'll enjoy our video tutorials even more. Click on the button and you'll see what I mean. We have hundreds of videos available to our premium members, not to mention all the fun quizzes, complete articles, and atlas sections to solidify your knowledge. Click on the button in the middle to watch the full-length video and master anatomy and physiology.